Hey guys, Easy Amateur Radio here. So this is my Texas Instruments TI-30XIIs, whatever. But this display is a little funky, and I think the battery just needs some help. So I've had this since 7th grade, so let's go ahead and see if we can fix this radio. This calculator, sorry. So we're going to start with the screws, and I'll fast forward through most of this. Okay, so now that we've got it open, be careful, don't lose the reset button like I probably just did. Here's the battery. Let's see what it's going to take. Oh, it's going to take some solder to get off of there. Well, let's go ahead and, well, hang on, let's see. Yep, it's going to take some soldering to get that cover off of there. But it appears as though we have the right battery. CR2, oh, this is a CR2 something, 02 something, but we're going to try with the other one. Admittedly, I'm not the world's best solderer, soldemite, I don't know, however you want to say it, solderer. So we're just going to give it a shot. My iron's not exactly hot enough yet. Oh, it says it is. So let's see if we can't transfer some heat.
So we want to make sure we leave enough solder to re-solder it. And I think we should have enough room to just pull that back. So this is a CR2025 3-volt lithium battery, and we're going to put in a 3-volt CR2032. Hopefully it works and doesn't blow everything up. I think they are the same size. It appears that this battery is just a little bit fatter than the other, but hopefully we can put enough solder on there for it to stick. Okay, so I piled some solder on there, so hopefully we have enough to get down to the pad.
It's not going to take a whole bunch. We just need enough for it to stick and hold while we add a little bit more to it. Like I said, I'm not the best solderer in the world. I'm not even good at it, if you want me to be completely honest with you. I'm just trying to make some people aware that you don't have to throw stuff away if it doesn't work. That there are solutions to fix it. Okay, so hopefully that solder joint right there is not a cold joint. Turn it around, and there we go. It looks like we have us a functioning thing. Okay, so we'll clear that out, flip it over, put the reset button on, and call this one a day. Okay guys, so from about 2013 to 2025, I've used this calculator. I'm glad it's finally getting some good use. Thanks for watching, and here's your daily message to defend your right to repair.